Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. This is a love reading for you for the month of May, and this is for all the air signs. So let's see what is the person you're thinking about is thinking right now. What are the love messages from the person that you are involved with, or you love, or you're going around. So these are what is on his mind or on her mind. So these are love messages for you for the month of May. I'm going to take out three cards here. There's a lot of passion. Uh, with the person involved, a lot of love, and this is like a really equal give and take relationship. That's what I get a lot of loving energy in the month of May. I feel like a lot of communication happening between you two. Like there is a free flow of communication, love. It's better than the months before, because I think something was not right before, and now things are getting better, and that's what I feel that it's really great for you, and that's a beautiful card. I don't know why, but I get a lot of pink with you guys. I don't know if you're wearing pink when you're listening to me. So this is for the air signs. A lot of flirty and energy that I'm getting in May, like a lot of messages, like the way you talk, and very childlike. One of you talks very childlike, and the way kids talk. So there's a lot of flirting going on. And let's see what are the other messages, love messages. I'm going to turn the cards around and I'm going to recharge them. One of you is not expressing your love. I think in May, because this has come reversed, you need to express your love, because I think this was past, this was holding back, and I think one of you still, as one of the partners, whoever it is, you or the other person, still will hold back a lot. I think you're more communicative, so the sign you are dealing with, that's the message that I get, channel message. I think you communicate more, so the person you dealing with needs kind of a little push to talk, or to get things out of them. Like it's not easy for them to express. It's not that they don't love you, but for them, expressing it becomes a little bit difficult, and you really need to tell them that probably if you say it 10 times I love you, they'll probably say it once, or in a few months, or in a matter of a lot of months, they'll say it once or just twice, and you'll be always saying, I get that, why don't you say it more, or why don't you express your more self more. So I think as an air sign, you express yourself a lot, but the person you're involved with really doesn't express, and you want them to express their love more for you. I also got let go of control issues, so don't control things. I feel you've been controlling things, like you say, no, I want this, I want to do this. You're not letting things flow easily. Let the other person, give the other person time to respond, or let them respond naturally to you. I don't want you to be pushy. Okay, that's the word that I get. Don't be pushy with that person. Let the person respond well to you. And let's see what are the other messages. So let there be no control in the relationship. Okay, let the person take his or her own time to express themselves, or tell them how they feel about you. So don't keep pushing them. That's the thing that I get a lot of chemistry. See, that's the card at the end of the deck. So air signs, it's a beautiful time for you. May is going to be really good, and this was worth waiting for. If you really waited for someone, or the person really waited for you, I think this is somebody coming back in your life with renewed energy and a lot of love. If the love was little, getting a little less, or you felt it that way, but I think this relationship is worth waiting for in May. So I don't know if you were deciding on it, you wanted to commit to this person, or there was something, or you were really patiently waiting for this person to come into your life, or you were waiting for the person to express themselves, or say that they love you, or they want to be with you. So this was really worth waiting for, and May will tell you that it is good that you waited for that person. I want to say it's the spirit messages that I'm getting. It's good that you showed patience, a lot of patience, and the result of that patience is going to be really good. That's another message that I get. I got this card again, so please let go of control issues. I feel there are control issues from your side or the other person's side. I feel this is more about you, air signs. I want you to let go of things, let it flow, let the universe work in its own way, like I always say, and let the person come to you. Instead of saying all the time, show emotions, do this, feel this way, do this for me, do that for me. I think if you let go of all those things, the person you are involved with anyway will very naturally show you how they feel about you, because like I said, they're not really expressive. So those are the messages that I get. Let me see, who would you be involved with, or who's the person if you're going around with any of these person. I'm going to pull out three cards. Maybe it's a I get a water sign a lot, though I get Pisces. I think you really you both are very opposite to each other, but I think you balance each other very well, you know, totally like a yin and a yang. I feel two people together in a relationship, air sign, whoever you are, seeing is very different from you. That's what I feel, and but I think it's really a beautiful balance, you know, and you complete each other. That's what I get, and I feel there'll be effortless. I get the word effortless. Things will flow effortlessly, and it's going to be like an effortless relationship, and. I feel, even if you make mistakes or there are problems, you kind of both know how to, say it sorry to the other person and make things right for each other. That's another message that I get. Let's see who else is coming up. Remember, this is a gel reading, okay? It's not necessarily you are going around with these signs. If you're going around with a Virgo, it's not really working really well, or I think you guys need to work harder on the relationship. That's what I get, you know. And it's like one of you, I'm telling you, one is more talkative. Air sign, please give a chance to Virgos. At least give a chance to them to talk, because I think you're doing all the talking, you're doing everything. That's for all the signs, air signs, and I really feel, give them a chance to say things in their own way. It's coming, again and again to me. I think that's a big message for you, air signs. Pisces came again, so you are involved either with the Piscean or it's a water sign. That's what I get. Scorpio, I told you, all water signs are coming, air signs. You involved with a, your partner is a Scorpio, and I feel also the person is kind of secretive. Okay, very intense energy. Either if they say things, they'll really mean it. They'll not talk much. Like Scorpios generally don't talk much, and they're not going to keep telling you I love you and I love you. They're going to show it through their little actions, and that's how it is. Pisces came out for like the third time, I think. So it is a water sign. I'm telling you, it's a water sign for you. So that's what I feel. And any other messages that I think I can get, but those are the messages. I want to do a short one. That is what is on your person's mind. Let me see if I can do another one. I feel happiness, because that's the end of the deck that I saw. After 10th May, it's going to be a beautiful time, It's, if you wanted to marry the person, you're going to marry the person, you're going to start a family, you're going to think of buying a new house. If you're already married to the person, probably you're going to talk about having kids. That's what I feel. And I feel a lot of positive energy in May for air signs. You're going to feel nice and kind of happier than you were in the previous months. That's another thing that I'm getting. So previous months were not really good, and this is a much better time for you guys. And I feel it's going to be a great relationship, and I'm just trying to channel any other message that I can get. And it's I I I think it's going to be a great time. That's what I feel. And I think I'm going to close the reading, because these are the messages that I get. And work on your communication. Let the person communicate. Also, give the person another, give the person a chance to talk. Let's see any other message. Yeah, let the person. I think that the person is making no effort, but that's not right. The person is a bit shy. The person is a bit quiet. Man of few words, woman of few words. So remember that they will make an effort. I really feel, even though this came reversed, I really feel in May the person you are with will actually make efforts, and you just do not control them. Let them do it naturally. Okay, let them come to you, and say things instead of you pushing them around. So don't push them, please. So that's a beautiful read for air signs. I'll be back with another reading next time. Thank you so much.